Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really pretty paper toy windmills. Don't these look amazing? So for this you're going to need some paper, card, scissors, a bottle lid, glue, paper straws, some push pins, stickers, a pencil, and finally some white tack. So let's get started. First we want to take our paper. We're going to fold a triangle, like this. Remember, you can use whatever colour you like. We're then going to draw a line down the edge of the paper because we want to cut it off to make a square. See? Now we're going to fold it the other way. This means we've got creases on the two diagonals. Draw a dot in the centre. Then take your bottle lid. We're going to draw around it. We want this circle to be in the middle of our paper. Now we're going to take our card and we're going to do the same thing. Cut out your circle. Now take your scissors. We're going to cut in from the corners, but we don't want to go right into the middle. We want to stop where we've drawn our circle. Now we want to take a bit of blue tack and put it on the table. This is because we're going to take our push pin and make a hole in the center of our square. Don't scratch the table. Now we're going to fold the edges in, just like this. It's already starting to look like a windmill. Now we want to glue our card on top, keeping all of the folds in shape. Draw a second circle in the card and cut it out. Now stick the circle on the back. Put some more blue tack onto the table and then stick your straw on top. We're now going to push the push pin right through the centre. It should go through the card and the straw and into our blue tack. When you remove the blue tack, it turns. Put a tiny bit of blue tack on the back so that you don't prick yourself, and there you have it. That's how you make a paper windmill. Cool, huh? Now remember, you can make this in any different colour you like. You could also make it in any different size. Here I'm making another one. I'm using different colours. What colours have you used? Let us know in the comment box below. I love this orange. I'm now decorating with some stickers. Remember, you can decorate however you like. This one's a different colour to the other windmill.